Here are some highlights from the November issue of Cleaner magazine. Brought to you by Hammerhead Trenchless. Stop second-guessing your material lists. The Hammerhead On-Site app walks you through every calculation for CIPP and pipe bursting, from liner length to roller gap, then lets you order what you need with a tap. No spreadsheets, no slip-ups, just confident installs every time. Visit hammerheadtrenchless.com. InCompany has faced fires, recessions, and every challenge in between, yet the Inns kept innovating. With Hammerhead curing systems and advanced trenchless tech, they're redefining what's possible in sewer repair. With the Hammerhead Heatwave and Quick Lock inversion drum working together, crews get reliable curing control and smooth, efficient liner installation every time. At McVac, a day's work can span hydro excavation, sewer jetting, and industrial cleanup, all with the same machine. Their custom-built fleet, including vac tracks and high-dump vac trucks, turns complex job sites into efficient operations. We are deeply saddened to announce that Cole Publishing co-founder Bob Kendall passed away on October 4th at age 70. A visionary behind Pumper Magazine and The Wet Show, Kendall helped build the modern wastewater industry as we know it and created a community where none existed. Thanks for everything, Bob. We will miss you. Hydro excavators handle everything from sludge to dry powders, but choosing the wrong setup can slow your job or even create hazards. Smart shopping starts with understanding what your truck actually needs to do. Advanced Problem Solutions leverages Milwaukee Tools inspection system to find the real problem the first time, saving labor, limiting demolition, and keeping customers happy. From high-pressure jetting to precision cleaning, the 2025 Sewer Nozzles Directory is your go-to guide for choosing the right nozzle for every job. Get specs, features, and more all in one place. Registration for the 2026 No Dig Show in Palm Springs opens in December. See the latest tech and connect with the minds shaping underground infrastructure worldwide. From stubborn roots to grease buildup, the latest sewer nozzles and hydro excavation gear give you the power, precision, and speed to dominate any line. See them in the product focus. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.